Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Audacity has been considered as the best free audio editing software for many years. However, recently they changed their privacy policy stating that they will collect users' personal information. So if you're not okay with that, then here are 7 free Audacity alternatives that you can start using right now. The first one on our list is WavePad, a great audio editing software, simple yet fully featured app for professional audio and music editing. You can record and edit your music, voiceovers, and other audio recordings. When editing audio files, you can do all the basics, cut, copy, and paste parts of recordings, add effects like echo, amplification, and noise reduction. WavePad is fully compatible with WAV and MP3 formats, but it also supports a number of other audio formats like VOX and FLAC. It's available for Windows, Mac, iPhone, iPad, and Android. The next one on our list is Dark Audacity. If you like Audacity and have been using it for years, then the best choice for you is Dark Audacity. Overall, it's identical to Audacity, with some simple adjustments to the main interface and a darker theme. For Audacity fans, this is the ideal choice. The problem with Dark Audacity is that it's not updated constantly like Audacity and only available for Windows users, but this is definitely the best alternative to Audacity fans. The next one on our list is AVS Audio Editor. As its name suggests, it is an amazing audio editor that will help you to edit files in various formats like WAV, MP3, and FLAC, do all the necessary editing, cut, join, trim, delete parts, split audio files, and add all kinds of filters and special effects to make your audio more professional. AVS also offer other apps for audio editing and video converting, but it's only available for Windows, so if you're a Windows user, this is an Audacity alternative that you should try. The next one on our list is Wavo Sour. One downside to Audacity is that you cannot edit multiple projects at the same time. You can't work on several different audios at once, but that's one of the great attractions to Wavo Sour. A multi-document interface that uses tabs. It also comes with a handful of advanced features like auto trim, mute remover, crossfade loop, audio export regions, and a solid support for VST plugins. This one is more difficult to learn. The only downside is that Wavo Sour, it's not a cross-platform app. You can only use it on Windows, but it's 100% free. The next one on our list is Adobe Audition. Not much to say, really. Adobe softwares are considered the industry standard for professional work, and when it comes to audio editing, we can definitely say the same. Adobe Audition comes with all the features and options that you can possibly need for professional audio editing. It's too expensive for most people, like every other Adobe product. For the majority of people, you can use any other software mentioned on this video and it will be more than enough. But if you are an Adobe fan and you use their softwares, then this is a one that you can definitely try. The next one on our list is Austen Audio. Exactly what the name says on the main page. Easy, fast, powerful audio editor, and one of the best alternatives to Audacity, with some amazing features like VST plugins support, real-time preview of effects, multi-selection for delicate editions, to speed up complex audio files editing. It supports a wide variety of audio formats, including high-resolution FLAC files. Austen Audio is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and they offer a portable version so you can try it without installing it on your computer. And the final one on our list is Fission. Since most softwares included on this list only support Windows, I wanted to end this list with an Audacity Alternatives app for Mac users with a beautifully designed interface. You can use Fission for audio editing. It comes with some neat features like a batch convert between formats, quick audio removal, full FLAC support, a single track editor, so it's not suitable for editing multiple tracks, but overall it's an amazing software. I can't cover all Audacity alternatives in one video, but there are other options like Ardor, Reaper, Amadeus Pro, Twisted Wave, SoundForge Audio Studio. Audacity is definitely the best free audio editing software to use, but if you're not okay with the data collection, then you can use one of the alternatives we covered in this video. In the end, I hope that this video was helpful. If you know any other programs, share them with us in the description below. Like, subscribe. Until I see you next time, bye.